The secret number one, guys. The secret number one. चलो एक छोटा सा और क्विज फटाफट करते हैं, ठीक है? So that me understanding what exactly you guys are here for. What is one problem that you guys face in the industry or you curious about? फटाफट चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो. किस में दिक्कत आ रही है ज्यादा? सेल्स में दिक्कत आ रही है, ऑपरेशन में दिक्कत आ रही है, बेचने में दिक्कत आ रही है, रिसेशन है, प्रॉब्लम क्या है, क्या दिक्कत है? व्हाट इज वन थिंग दैट यू आर हियर फॉर? व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू गाइस नीड फ्रॉम मी टुडे? पुट इट डाउन while I'll continue with the screen. Guys, give me one thing. Okay, I don't see anyone. Guys, chat. Okay, how to enter the industry? Nice. Okay, I don't know what is my first step should be. Conversion and growth. How to get bigger leads for beginners to gain trust and to be handle the big day. Okay, business development. How to start company from the scratch. Mentorship. How to have a startup. Okay, that's it, guys. How to start? Guys, more questions. What is that you're looking at? Guys, come on. यार मैं इतनी बोल रहा हूँ, फटाफट तुम टाइप कर सकते हो. Yeah, what qualities do we need to have started? How to start a new company? Which institute to join? Okay, you have a very clear answer to that. Ria, I think it was it. Need to learn the process, self-sustainable, how the industry works, getting clients. Okay, cool. So we're gonna come to all those things. I think by the end of the session, right? अभी इसके बाद मेरे बाद अरुण आएगा. You know, understand, you've seen creators of Arun, right? Arun is an amazing person, guys. He's gonna talk to you about an amazing wedding that he did in Disneyland Paris, I think 2 years back. He's come to us a lot of times with presentations to my WMI students, and this is one amazing wedding to see. I'm not gonna really reveal the secrets. It's gonna be no fun, but it is going to be an amazing amazing wedding for you to see. Okay, a lot of things to take back home from them. Then Sonam is obviously gonna come. So it's gonna be all a matter of time before they all join. And I think 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Arun is coming, right? Yeah. Okay. So then Sonam is gonna be here. Then Devika is obviously gonna be here. Yeah. So let us just. How do we work in other cities? Okay, that's also nice. Okay, we can talk about it. Establish your goals, guys. सबसे पहला secret, establish your goals. Who have heard about that story, that Alice in Wonderland? सबने Alice in Wonderland story सुनी हुई है? Alice in Wonderland story सुनी हुई है. Alice drops into that rabbit hole. She finds a cat, and she asked Alice asked the cat, "Which way should I go? Right? Which way should I go?" The cat asked, "Where do you want to go?" Alice says, "It doesn't matter." No, Alice says, "I do not know." Alice falls down the rabbit hole. She finds a cat. She asks the cat, "Which way should I go?" The cat asks, "Where do you want to go?" Alice says, "I don't know." The cat says, "It doesn't matter which path that you take. Because if you don't know where you have to go, whatever path you take doesn't really matter." Right? The moral of the story is that you have to understand where you have to reach. आपको जाना कहां पर है, राइट? किस को जो कंपनी अपनी रन कर रहा है, किस को अपनी कंपनी का एग्जैक्ट प्रॉफिट पता है? एग्जैक्ट प्रॉफिट पता है किसी को? हाँ, एग्जैक्ट प्रॉफिट, एग्जैक्ट खर्चा नहीं पता. किसी ने लिख के रखा हुआ है. I'll be very happy if someone says yes. I'll be very very happy कि मुझे 10 साल के अंदर क्या करना है. लिख के रखा हुआ है कि आज से 10 साल हर्षदीप, I'm very happy. Expense yes, profit no. Okay, I'm running my own company. Siddharth, do you know your profit? Do you know your expenses? Okay, I'll speak to Harshdeep. Harshdeep, you said that you have written that where you want to go in 10 years, where you want to reach in 10 years. Is it right?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
tell me.
So actually, I am a follower of The Secret. So not in this.
So I'm gonna mention secrets here also. It is an amazing book to be. good to read. Guys, किसने से पढ़ी हुई है Secrets? Who else believes in manifestation? Okay, I see a couple of them. Tanish obviously does. Yeah. So, guys, first of all, thank you, Harshdeep. The point is, I'm not gonna take it longer. The point is that you have to establish your goals first. You have to really understand that what you want to achieve in life and with very clarity. लिखा होना चाहिए कि भाई ये करना है, 10 साल के अंदर मुझे ये अचीव करना है, फिर उसके बाद बैक कैलकुलेशन करनी है। कैसे कि 10 साल में ये करना है तो 5 साल में यहां पहुंचना है, जब 5 साल में यहां पहुंचना है तो फिर 1 साल में क्या करना है। कैन इट बी डन गाइस? कैन इट बी डन? Do you think it may help? Do you think it may help that if you have this thing written in front of you, आपके टेबल के ऊपर, आपके लैपटॉप बैग के अंदर, आपके डेस्कटॉप के ऊपर एक फाइल फोल्डर हो जिसमें कि लिखा हो कि मेरे को 10 साल के अंदर क्या करना है, कहां पहुंचना है। ठीक है, अगर 10 साल में मुझे वहां पहुंचना है तो मुझे 5 साल में कहां पहुंचना पड़ेगा, ये हम निकाल सकते हैं। हाँ, उसके बाद हम ये निकाल सकते हैं कि भाई मुझे 1 साल का टारगेट क्या करना है। राइट गाइस, इट इज very important. If you do not know what you want in life, you would never be able to achieve it. I completely understand and respect that you might not know. I am okay. I am very okay that your long-term goal may change. I am very happy if it does. That means you're on the right track and you're doing the right things. आपको समझ आ गया कि भैया that is not probably a realistic thing, right? It may change and it will change, but at least you have to set up a target first. Do you agree? Right? मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि भैया आपने सोच लिया कि 10 साल में मैंने 500 करोड़ की कंपनी बनना है फ्रॉम स्क्रैच और आप बन जाओ। आप बन सकते हो, nobody can stop you, बट 5 साल में आपको दिखा कि मैं तो भैया 50 करोड़ तक पहुंच पाया। राइट? you can alter your final goal. Who's stopping you? Right? It's between you and yourself, but at least have a goal there so that you start working towards it. आप उस टाइप की टीम हायर करते हो, उस टाइप के काम उठाने शुरू करते हो, आपकी विजन उस टाइप की होती है, आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स उस टाइप की होती है। राइट? Quickly guys, I'm gonna give you more about this secret as to establish your goals. Okay, we talked about short-term goal, mid-term goal and long-term goal. Guys, we all have talked about it. You all understand now how it can be done. And manifest, right? Secrets पढ़ी है किसी ने? Genuinely पढ़ी है secrets? नहीं पढ़ी? Guys, write it down. You guys have, okay, not even read it. Go to Netflix and watch the series called Secrets. Jaskirat, this is how it's gonna go, brother. If you have problem, you can leave right now. Jaskirat, Puneet, just take care of Jaskirat. If he has problem, he can probably leave. Okay, guys, anyone who has a problem with it, a genuine problem, I'm giving you the content. I'm giving you the secret. The first secret is that you have to I don't understand, Jatin. This is how it's going to be. If you like it, it's okay. We're very thankful for the donation that you've done. In case you want a refund, we can do that as well. Okay. Don't even read a book. Go to Netflix. Can you just stop the chat for some time, please, Puneet? Go to Netflix. Watch the series Secrets. I can assure you, it can change your life. People who read it, they will tell you. It's about manifestation. It's about manifestation that the things that you start believing in. it actually starts happening in your life, right? Weird thing, a very weird thing to say, मैंने बोला और हो गया, but yeah, it's actually happening. It happens, right? It's a theory. It's a way of thinking that the things that you actually manifest, it starts happening. Okay, quickly coming to the short-term goal, long-term goal, mid-term goal. You guys understand that, right? We have to write them down today, guys. We have to write them down today, your goals, where you have to reach. Okay, okay. And now understanding what you want to become. Yeah, sorry. Guys, what do you want to become? Now we talk about specifically about the event industry, the wedding industry. करना क्या है, ठीक है? आपको अभी तक तो ये मैंने बता दिया कि लिखना क्या, बट ये नहीं पता कि लिखना क्या है. लिखना ये है कि आपको इनमें से क्या बनना है, ठीक है? आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यू हैव कि भाई मेरे को 4 साल में ये बनना है, मुझे 2 साल में ये बनना है, मुझे 10 साल में फाइनली ये बनना है, और मुझे 10 साल में फाइनली ये नहीं बनना, मुझे यहीं पर रहना है. इट इज ओके. लेट मी क्विकली गिव यू द पॉइंटर्स कि ये होते कौन है, ठीक है? ठीक है, आई एम श्योर यू मोस्ट ऑफ यू वुड रिलेट टू दैट. जो नए लोग हैं उनके लिए आसान है, मुश्किल है, बट जो पुराने हैं उनके लिए आसान है. फर्स्ट इज अ सोलो और अ फ्रीलांसर. लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव बीन वर्किंग, अभी जिससे मैंने बात करी, आई थिंक प्रणय आल्सो सेड दैट ही इज बीन वर्किंग फ्रीलांसर, और आई डोंट नो क्या बोला उसने. देयर इज अ पर्सन who starts solo and he's a freelancer. His income is inconsistent. Generally people start from that level. Where you think that okay, I'm going to start a business, I have what it takes, I want to start a business. And like me, I was there 14 years ago, similar life. ठीक है, कुछ अल्ले बल्ले कुछ है नहीं, बट ठीक है, स्टार्ट करना है, पैशन है, ठीक, शुरू कर देना काम करना, ठीक है? तो शुरू कर दिया काम करना. किसी छोटे मोटे प्रोजेक्ट में किसी के साथ में आ गए, कहीं सोलो काम कर लिया, किसी के पास चले गए प्रोजेक्ट बेसिस के ऊपर, किसी छोटा सा कोई प्रोजेक्ट मिल गया, एक स्टैंड अलोन, किसी की बर्थडे पार्टी मिल गई, कोई स्टैंड अलोन, किसी की हल्दी मिल गई, किसी की गर्लफ्रेंड के लिए कोई सरप्राइज प्लान करना है, वो मिल गया. सो यू डू दोस काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स, राइट? दैट्स जनरली द फर्स्ट स्टेप वेयर यू स्टार्ट. Wherein you start solo, you have a very limited income and you have very staggered income. You don't really have a fixed income generally. आ गया प्रोजेक्ट तो आ गया, नहीं आया तो नहीं आया, right? You agree? So that's the first step. That's the solo or a freelancer thing. Then you come into a small scale company, wherein you have, say, one or two person along with you. You along with 1-2 person are employed in a company, right? You still own the company, you still run the show, but there are people to support you, right? There's probably someone who could probably take care of your presentations, or someone who could go with you on the meetings, or who could take care of your sites. That's a small scale company. That's the next progressive thing to be, right? The income again here is inconsistent, because you don't get project that easily again and again, right? As it is, our industry is pretty saya based, right? So my pass generally it's pretty season based, but that's how you start. You start with solo, then you get into a small scale company. You become a small scale company, you hire 1-2 people along with it, not really expert, not really committed, but at least to run the show. जो सस्ते लोग मिले आपने हेल्प करने के लिए, आपने एक सोलो कंपनी बना ली. इसके आपने थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ा, आपने एक मिड साइज कंपनी बना ली, ठीक है? That's the best place to be in. Best place to be in, ठीक है? Say around 10 to 20 people in that company, right? You have a separate designer, you have a separate operations guy, you have a separate graphics team, you have a separate operations team, and you still run the show, right? The human touch is still there, guys. That's a mid-sized company. That's like majorly every company. जो डिसेंट साइज कंपनी है वो ज्यादा यही कंपनीज होती हैं, जिसमें ओनर डायरेक्टली मीटिंग्स के अंदर जाता है, अभी भी जाता है. उसके साथ में डिजाइनर होते हैं, उसके साथ में ग्राफिक डिजाइनर होते हैं, उसके साथ में ऑपरेशंस होता है, फाइनेंस होता है, अच्छा बिजनेस होता है, अच्छा काम चलता है. Income is not really staggered because one or the other event keeps on happening because you've grown in life. Okay, then is a large scale company wherein there is one CEO, their project heads, someone is handling the wedding, someone is handling the corporate events, someone is handling the other events like 50 to 100 people की company, bड़ी company, not just specifically into weddings. Probably they have some kind of an IPs, they have some kind of other projects going on. So that's a large scale company, right? So solo, you start with solo, you get into a small scale company, you become a mid scale company. That's your target should be. And if you want to grow to a large scale company, you want to become a CEO where you do not go on meetings anymore, right? Why I say that I don't want to become a large scale company. Why? Because I came to weddings because I loved them. I don't want to sit in a one boardroom and just order and check on my business development manager कि भाई कितनी शादियां आ रही हैं, इतनी शादियां क्यों नहीं आ रही हैं, हाँ ये काम अच्छा हो रहा है, ये काम अच्छा क्यों नहीं हो रहा. I want to get into the field. I want to do meetings. I want to create new things. I want to be on the side. That's what I love. That's why I came to this industry, right? So again, it could be your goal. I'm not saying that you become or you don't become. I'm saying I don't want to become because I love weddings and that's the reason I came to this industry. I'm very happy being a mid-sized company because I have a separate team for things, but I still have my say. I still get involved in day-to-day functions, right? So that's the point, guys. Where you want to be, that's number one. Establish your goals, and I've given you what you want to be. The second very, very important aspect is that you choose your specialization. Guys, यही मुझे नहीं पता था, पर ये मैंने आपको आज बताना है. Do not just have a mental blockage that you want to become a wedding planner or a decorator. सबसे पहले ये mental blockage हटा देनी है. You love weddings, you want to come into this field, you want to come to this field, you want to at least start with a smaller thing. It is happy, it is good. छोटे से शुरू करो, धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ो. Right? You do not just say that I want to do everything. Become a wedding designer if that is your specialization. If you have a good design sense, right? Become a wedding designer. And then in wedding designer, you could be a solo, you could be a small scale company, you could be a mid-sized company. You understand what I'm saying? So that's a specialization and that's a type of company that you want to get into. Okay. So then or could be the production house, जिसको tent वाले बोलते हैं, right? थोड़ा सा fancy name हो गया आजकल के लिए. So we don't generally call the tent houses, we call them production houses these days. People who actually go and produce events on the sites, right? Who have table, chairs, structure, fabric, trusses, a lot of other things, furniture. So that's like a production house. If you want to be a production house or not, that's a different ball game altogether. That's like all operations, right? You could be a designer and a production house, or you could just be a production house, or you could just be a designer, right? You could be a destination wedding expert, guys. That's also in things. A lot of companies here today, these days, are focusing only on destination weddings. You understand fam trips? You understand fam trips? fam trips, right? These are the guys who just keep on traveling around the world. Have you seen these bigger wedding planners, or you follow them this someday in Turkey, another day in Thailand, or someday in Sri Lanka probably, or someday somewhere else? They keep on traveling and you keep on wondering, यार ये आज हर रोज ट्रैवल ही करते रहते हैं, इवेंट तो करते नहीं है. हाँ, ऐसे बंदे देखे आपने जो किसी ट्रैवल करते रहते हैं और इवेंट करते हुए कम दिखते हैं? ये ऐसे कुछ लोग हैं जो कि डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग एक्सपर्ट बन जाते हैं. They keep on traveling the entire. So fam trip is a trip, where the companies or the hotels or the cities or the hotel brands, they call you to their property or their city to get acquainted with the place. It's called familiarization trip. Familiarization trip, yeah. The short form is fam trip. Because if you don't know the place, how would you sell a place? Right? So they call this bunch of 15, 20, 30. I've been fortunate to travel the world with these fam trips, free of cost. Yeah, that's the best point. You travel these, you go to Turkey, you go to Thailand, you go to Sri Lanka, you go to Jaipur, you go to Mahabalipuram, all these places, free of cost. Because the point is that they call the top wedding planners, designers, decorators to show their property. So because if they show the property, then they'll go back and sell it. ये कॉन्सेप्ट जो है ना, ट्रैवल एजेंट से आया था। जो ट्रैवल एजेंट्स के टाइम पे ये चलता था कि वो ट्रैवल एजेंट्स को बुलाते थे और जगह घुमाते थे और फिर वो घर जाके उनको बेचते थे उस जगह को। सो नाउ these things are happening with the wedding planners as well. So destination wedding expert, guys, very very important. Sub vendors, guys, the best thing to be right now is become a vendor. If you don't want to start a full-fledged thing, if you are money minded, which is a very good thing to be, you want to earn and you want to grow gradually, become a vendor. Become the smallest vendor in a wedding, and I can assure you, you'll have maximum number of events. I'll give you my example, right? My furniture vendor would probably do, in terms of events, number of events, would do probably 4 times the number of events that I do in a year. Why? क्योंकि उसको तो सारे काम देते हैं, राइट? मैं भी काम दे रहा हूं, मेरे जैसे 10 लोग और भी काम दे रहे हैं, उसके पास तो कोई काम की कमी नहीं है. You understand? I have to go to the clients to beg, to give presentations, to negotiate, to make presentations, to get ideas, to brainstorm with my team. But he doesn't have to do anything at all. I just have to give him a call and say, sir, ye book kar lena, and I say, okay, and make the payment. Do you think it's a good thing to be? Yeah. My chandelier guy, guys, there's a guy in Delhi. He's a very, very close friend. He only deals in renting chandeliers in events. It wasn't a thing 2 years back. It was not a thing 2 years back. And it has become huge. I can tell you, it is huge. He has as many as 40 sites in a day. 40 sites, 40 sites, where his guys goes to put chandeliers. Can you believe? I'm talking about Delhi right now, but I'm sure you can implement these things in your places also, right? 40 sites, probably more than that also. कितना एक साइट से कमाता होगा और एक दिन में कितने पैसे घर लेके आता होगा? Yeah, you understand it? I'm not saying be it. I'm just showing you a path. Furniture, chandelier, lot of other things, guys. In catering, there are a lot of things involved, right? You could become a specialist furniture provider or the table setting things. You could probably be expert in florals. You could be one person. So there's an idea someone was throwing at me that, guys, sir, I want to become a Vedi specialist with you. And I go, what is a Vedi specialist? He said that our company is only going to provide Vedis. You understand? I'm Vedi Mandap, right? He said, okay, I'm going to get into only mandaps. I will produce 20 mandaps and our company is going to sell only mandaps. What an idea it could be. I am not saying it will work, it will not work. It is up to you to understand. But I'm saying that people are moving towards being vendors and sub-vendors because they see that then they don't have to get into the client sometimes and they keep on getting repeat business. It's a B2B thing. It's obviously not a B2C thing, right? So that's also one thing that you can be, vendors. Graphic designer is obviously one. This guy was a graphic designer. That's also part of event industry, guys. Wedding industry. You could be graphic designer. Again, as I'm saying, there are people who have a decent size graphic designing company, like a mid-scale company, but only specializing in graphic design. And that too, graphic designing only related to weddings. वो AutoCAD भी करते हैं. They do Photoshop also. They do 3ds Max also. They do SketchUp also. They do everything. And they have an entire team where designers come to them, give them a project and take it back home. They have a team of 10 graphic designers, 20 graphic designers only dedicated towards weddings. Then wedding planner obviously is one man who runs the show, right? It should take a time for you to become a wedding planner, right? Unless you just kick starting it. If you obviously want education and everything else, then that's a separate thing. So you could be a floral designer, you could be a wedding stylist. That's also a thing these days, guys. You've heard about wedding stylist? Guys, can you raise hands? I can see every one of you guys have understood what is wedding stylist these days. People who style weddings. Anushka said no. People who style weddings. So in movies, in ads, in films, there's like stylists. Right? What is the person's gonna wear? What are the earrings be like? What the hair is gonna be like? right? So that's a stylist. That used to be a stylist. So now people hire wedding stylists. I myself have given a stylist to a lot of people, wherein, I mean, yes, they're spoiled rich people, somehow, or they're probably uh, people who have no knowledge about fashion at all, right? There could be both kind of people. They do not know. So hiring a wedding stylist doesn't really mean that you spend only on the brands and the very bigger companies. A stylist could also show them places where to purchase their clothes from at a very cheaper and a reasonable price. That's also job of a wedding stylist. That's a very interesting profession to be in, right? He or she probably matches the clothes of the groom and the bride. This is your mehndi look, this is your wedding look, this is your reception look, and you're gonna wear that. This is the shoes that will go with it. Your brothers will all the brothers will wear these kind of clothes. All the sisters are gonna wear those kind of clothes. The uncle is will gonna wear that kind of a pagadi. So he styles everything, and you can see what you're wearing, you can feel what you're wearing before the event, right? Just understand how much this makes your life easier. किसी client को suggest करना, ठीक है? Shopping is a mess. You guys all understand that. It is one hectic thing, and till the last moment, you do not understand but you're doing things right or wrong, right? But with a wedding stylist, you can probably see that. Okay, moving on. Wedding stylist, entertainment expert. There's a very big company called Catalyst. हमारे बच्चे बहुत सारे वहां पर employed हैं right now. So they're only into entertainment. Artists provide करते हैं, celebrities provide करते हैं, entertainment acts provide करते हैं. They're only into entertainment. And then there's hospitality and logistics guys, people who are specialized in only hospitality and logistics. What is that? We can probably come to that if don't know. But that's the point, guys. So you could be a mid-scale, large-scale, small-scale company, and you could probably choose one specialization. So, but you have to write it down today and understand where you want to reach. Are we guys good here? Yeah. Cool. What's the next one? Okay, so these are the new careers that I thought that probably just put it away, give it away to you as well. So probably these are the new things that has come up with COVID. So one is insurance. A lot of people are getting into wedding insurances, especially in destination weddings. Wedding insurance is a thing, guys. Go search about it. Wedding insurance. You could be a wedding insurance guy, a person who only deals. You go to all the bigger wedding companies in India, the top companies, and tell you, okay, this is okay. If you have a wedding, give me a client's contact, and I'm gonna insure. It could be the client's insurance. It could be the materials insurance. It could be the event company's insurance, the team's insurance, anything. A lot of aspects of insurance. There's hygiene, right? Especially after Corona, it's the thing now, right? You need to obviously sanitize things. You need to have those sanitizers there, tissues and masks, and a lot of other things. So hygiene is one thing that people. I mean, there are a lot of companies now that have come up who specialize in sanitization and hygiene stuff. Okay, you finish your event, okay, and then you hire this company. They're gonna come to your event before your event starts, hygiene maintain karte hain puri, and then they go back. Okay, digital management, again, a lot of things are moving online, so you can, a lot of things that are coming up with online events, online management, a lot of things. Live cast is again having those events live. Education, wedding education, event education is also a thing, and obviously you're part of it right now. Personalized souvenirs is also coming up in a very big way. I've had people who've spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees only on masks these days. COVID mask mein hi lakhon rupees ka kharcha kar dete hain. So yeah, you never know, this could be a full-fledged industry someday. So that's about establishing your goals, guys.